everyone, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming. Today we're at the Vanlife Fest over in Stratford upon Avon. Well, we were last time at the race course, but this is a different show.
Peanut butter, just be me.
Right, so here we are at the van show at the Vanlife Fest, and some of this stuff is actually really interesting.
Anybody else with more questions? Yeah.
Brendan, how do you feel about living in a small cramped space in the car?
Well, when I do go out on my little escapades, I'll actually been able to find that living in the back of the car for a short period of time, so I don't live full time in the car, is quite comfortable. I'll show you. Come with me. It's a bit messy, excuse the mess, I don't really tidy up until I get back home. I've got a full-size single bed, full box, got a chair at the back there. So that props up the table leg underneath, turn on even more, but I like to think that by doing all that I'm able to show people that you can do it in any kind of vehicle. You don't have to have a van, you don't have to have a motorhome, you can get away and have some adventures in whatever you've got. I've seen people do Volkswagen Ups, Skoda City Goes, so if you can do it in those cars, you can definitely do it in that and have a bit of fun and just get out and explore. So where are you going to get the Mini? The Mini? I think the next step is to upgrade to a van. I think that's going to be the next step, yeah. A van, or as you mentioned previously actually before we started rolling, maybe getting a side awning tent possibly, so go on the side door of the vehicle there, prop up the boot, got the kitchen, got the sleeping area, and then maybe add a bit of an extended living area there, because when the weather's not great, I mean the weather's been okay this weekend, but when the weather's not that great, it's nice just to have a bit more open space, stretch your legs a little bit, because in the morning I cramp up in the back, try and get myself dressed, and it's not exactly the most graceful, should we say, but to have a bit more living space would be nice.
Would you ever think of moving from the car into a van?
Yeah, that's the ultimate goal. That's really the goal that I had from the start. But I mean, what made me go for the car was basically the fact that I didn't have the funds to buy a van. You know, it wasn't really within my price range at the time. I had to use what was available to me at the time. I think I had to get very creative in the sense of what can I do with what I've already got access to, which was the car. And I think I've done an alright job. I think it's done okay. Not everybody would select to go in the back of a car, but for doing things like this, it's done.
How do you think you'll fit in with the stealth side of it? If you had a van, you couldn't get away with the stealth.
No, I couldn't get away with stealth.
How are you going to
okay, so plan right. Once I get a van, hopefully think of something like this, like a Citroen Relay. But once I get a van, I won't be putting any motorhome stickers on it or little like adventure stickers on it. I'm thinking, this is a copyrighted idea, no one nicking this, right? I'm trying to make it look like a refrigerator van. So like have like a window, but have like a grate over the window, with a skylight that looks like you know, like your refrigerant air conditioning goes in the back. Maybe put some sign writing on it, Brendan's chilled goods or something.
I said this for media, we're going to put on it fresh seafood.
Yeah, why not?
And we thought,
yeah.
we'll never get bothered, we'll never get broken into, but someone said no.
And also as well, you put fresh seafood on the van, you can go to any coastal playground and you'll be alright with it. Right, should we head over to the tent?
Right guys, so this is the last day of the show. So what we're doing right now is we're going over to Darren from the Urban Motorhome and doing some questions about van life. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Peace out. Right, so we just had a question and answer session with Darren, and also whilst we were here yesterday we actually met a fan. So thank you for being a subscriber, and I will see you guys in a minute. Peace out. Right guys, so we are leaving the place now, the festival I should say. This was an amazing time we had here. We met so many YouTubers, we made some friends, some new friends actually, and I will see you guys in a minute. We are heading to Wales. I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it. So guys, remember to like, subscribe and press the notification bell. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out. And also, if you want to thank us and get me a lovely ice cream, we also have super thanks down in the comments below. So if you want to help us out, then use that. We just had it, and I will see you guys later. Our next video will probably be about us going to Wales, because that's where we're heading right now. See you guys later. Peace out. Hi everyone, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming, and today we are in Wales. So for the past 2 days we have been here in Penman Point, which is a lovely place to stay. If you're lucky, in winter you might see the Northern Lights or Aurora Borealis, and also you might see bioluminescent algae in the ocean, which will light up the ocean. Another thing that you would see here, if the ocean is flat enough, you would see some dolphins poking their little heads up and going back down.